I'm Franz Harary here in Jakarta, Indonesia, with arguably the greatest magicians in the country. Unfortunately.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel Obie Magic. Saya Obie, kalian boleh panggil Kak Obie. Kali ini saya akan mengajak teman-teman semua yang ada di rumah untuk mengikuti kegiatan saya bersama teman-teman Magic Night Jakarta, ketemu dengan maestro sulap. Dia adalah Franz Harary. Nah, dan nanti lihat keseruannya jamming bersama Franz Harary dan teman-teman dari Magic Night Jakarta. Banyak sekali di sini teman-teman magician yang keren-keren banget, lintas generasi guys, dari yang masih anak-anak sampai yang dewasa, yang senior ya. Kita lihat keseruannya dan jangan kemana-mana, tetap nonton di channel Obie Magic. Dan sebelum nonton kalian harus like dan subscribe dulu dan terus pantengin video ini. Terus sih.
It is time for a magic jam.
My ID, Boris, and this is Franz Harary.
It's me. We'll be back with more magic.
Halo Pak, ada apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah.
Tadi jangan dulu.
Lo nggak bisa main tempat. Coba main. Biar nyari ilmunya kita. Dua iya.
Jadi kalian. Halo. Sini udah jam 5. Mulai aja.
Hi, here we go. I have 2 coins here in my hand.
Yeah, let's see.
It's the silver one and the gold one, okay?
Oh, these are Indonesian coins, right?
This one is Indonesian coin.
All right.
It's 500 and 200,
Right?
okay? Silver and the gold, okay?
Got it.
Now I will take the gold one,
Right?
okay? And I'll put it in my pocket
In your pocket. All right.
and I transfer.
That was the
Empty,
magic,
right?
right?
And it's appear again.
Ah.
Okay? One more time, okay?
All right.
One more time. The silver one
The heat is on.
and the gold one.
All right.
And I will take the gold one,
Gold one.
the gold one,
Okay.
and put it again in my
On the floor.
yes, in my pocket. Okay.
All right.
And then I transfer again.
Magic time.
One more time. Last
more
one.
time.
Okay, last one. I will take the silver one.
Right.
Okay, and put it in my pocket.
Right.
What's inside my hand?
Gold one.
Okay. And
This is a pin! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah!
The world. Great. Hey kids, we're live with Arif from Jakarta.
Hello, I want to show you some trick, a little trick. Here I have a blue deck of cards.
Right.
See? Blue deck of cards. But watch. 1, 2, 3. I twist like this and the card changes.
Oh my god! Oh! Wow!
Wait. The cool thing is, this box can be examinable. You can check the box, make sure there's nothing.
It is a real box.
Oh! Really amazing! Oh my god!
That's pretty cool. Great. Thanks. That's great. Here, you want to...
I, E, F.
Oh my god! Holy shit! It's Franz Harary!
You ready?
Udah sinematik gitu YouTuber satu ini. Viewer berapa? 5.
Wow.
Nah, pokoknya yang udah berhubungan dengan botol ini pasti dari mana aja kalian bisa coba dan kalian bisa praktekkan.
You know, whenever I tour, Dave Chang, Dave.
Oh, it's closely.
Cool.
Whoa!
Very nice. Dave, thanks.
Okay, I have a deck of cards. The simple trick is audience pick one card. It's King of
Audience
Diamond.
pick? You need an audience?
No.
No. All right.
We just use King of Diamond. We left it in the center of the deck and facing up.
Right.
So in the center, it's not on top. It's not on top. And yet, it's not on bottom. So let's see if I can find the card.
Yeah. What's your stuff? We're brothers.
Oke, lihat kamera ya. Kamera itu.
Wow, rame banget ini magician dari lintas generasi, dari anak-anak sampai yang udah berumur guys. Waduh, magician generasi. Kita lihat sama. Waduh.
Pakai flash. Dr. Victor itu
Hey, I'm Franz Harary here in Jakarta, Indonesia, with arguably the greatest magicians in the country. Unfortunately, you're not here with us, so that's missing. But we're thinking about you, and next time we'll be doing this all together. From somewhere in Jakarta, I'm Franz Harary. See ya.
teman-teman semuanya di rumah, ini adalah momen yang sangat bersejarah buat saya tentunya. Banyak sekali magician yang ada di sini, lintas generasi tentunya, dari yang anak-anak sampai yang udah sepuh, udah tua. Nah, pokoknya banyak banget ilmu yang didapat di sini. Jadi mohon maaf nggak bisa nampilin apa aja, poin-poin apa aja yang ada di lecture ini. Oke teman-teman semuanya, terima kasih yang udah nonton video ini. Jangan lupa like and share dan subscribe tentunya, dan nantikan video saya selanjutnya. Sampai ketemu lagi, bye.